my baby, well ain't that nice? We'll turn our lifestyle into a paradise, living on the beach and eating fish every day, and sipping from the fruit from the juice that she made. And she love me now, well why wouldn't she? Love my baby and my baby love me. Love me now because I'm young and able. Well love me cause what I bring will to the table. And she on the top and I'm well on the low. Wanna take her anywhere that she will wanna go. But let me know if I cross the line. I say taking it slow is just a waste of our time. And she love me now, well why wouldn't she? Love my baby and my baby love me. And she love me now because I'm young and able. She love me cause what I bring will to the table. Well thank you man, I do adore. But this ain't the first time when I've been here before. It's getting easier with every task. Well not the first time and it won't be the last thing. Well thank you man, for what you done. Well I know now where I'm going cause I found just where I'm from. And getting easier with every task, and not the first time, and it won't be the last. Well, everybody wants a piece of the pie, but it's easier now, well, if you justify. Well, you're home and where you make it where you live. You don't get what you want and you don't get what you give. And coffee in the morning is what you making. In the afternoon, you know we're feeling the break. You know we're feeling the break. You know we're feeling the break. You don't get what you want, but you can get what you take. And she love me now, why wouldn't she? Love my baby and my baby love me. And she love me now because I'm young and able. She love me cause what I bring will to the table. And thank you man, I do know. But this ain't the first time when I've been here before. And getting easier with every task. But not the first time and it won't be the last. But thank you man, for what you done. But I know now where I'm going cause I found just where I'm from. And getting easier with every task. But not the first time and it won't be the last time.
Cabbage Island is a national park. It's a beautiful little spot, great amenities here, picnic tables, composting toilets, and this beautiful beach for launching and landing on. Today, we're heading around East Point and down to Narvaez Bay. Packing your kayak can be a bit of an art sometimes. It's really important that you distribute the weight evenly. You don't want to have heavy stuff on the port side, light stuff on the starboard side. You also don't want to have too much heavy stuff up in your bow, keeping your stern light. A really good idea is to put all your heavy things, like your water and your pots and pans, close to the center of the boat. If you put heavy stuff way up at the bow or way back in the stern, it makes it hard to turn your boat. Bye-bye, Cabbage Island. We're on our way to Narvaez.
Get myself in order. All this time that I'm wasting, now the colors are changing in the trees, and these days are getting shorter. But I leave them behind and send myself out to find, so I'll leave. I will pack my things and get on them ready to break. And now I'm on my way because well I can't stay, it's me now. I just got to lean out. Well, I'll be out on my way now, but I'll see you in the summertime or some other time, yeah. Got this burden off my shoulders, where I wanna be, swear I won't leave now till it's time, 'cause this water's so much warmer. The day that it's colder is the day I am over the line. I will pack my things and getting them ready to break. Now I'm on my way, because my life can't stay with me now. See, I just got to leave now. Well, I'll be all on my way now, but I'll see you in the summertime or some other time, yeah. Some other time, yeah.
We've made it into Narvaez Bay. We've settled in, put our tent up, and we've come out to the point, and the sun's come out.
Saturna Island is located between Victoria and Vancouver. We started 2 days ago at Saturna Beach. We went out around past Lyle Harbour and into Winter Cove. Be sure to read your tide tables correctly. You want to hit Boat Pass at slack tide. Quite a lot of current running through here. We hit it just at the flood and sailed on into Cabbage Island, where we set up campsite for the first night. The next day, we headed out around Tumbo Island and over toward East Point. Again, an area to read your tide tables. We caught it at slack and hit around East Point and into Narvaez Bay for our second night. Now, this morning, we'll be heading out around Monarch Head and a quick stop at Taylor Point before we make our final push back to Saturna Beach.
Cold of the night has come, the fire in my...
Yeah, Pacific White-Sided Dolphins, baby. Oh, so cool. Oh, right under the boat. Oh my god. Right beside me, doing circles around. Nice. There's a sea lion in there with them.
When the time comes for 201, you pray for fire and a fire come, because you love me, baby. And in the seasons I pray for rain, I know I'll be on my